Do you constantly feel drained, taken advantage of, or overwhelmed? Chances are you're not setting healthy boundaries. Boundaries aren't about building walls. They're about drawing lines that protect your peace, energy, and self-worth. In this video, we'll break down the 6 essential types of boundaries you must know and how to use them to build stronger relationships and a stronger you. Let's begin. Physical boundaries. Your body, your space. Physical boundaries are about your body, personal space, and touch. This includes who can hug you, how close someone stands, and even how loud they speak around you. If someone invades that space or touches you without consent, it's okay to say, "Please don't touch me," or "I need personal space right now." Setting physical boundaries keeps you safe and comfortable in your own skin. Emotional boundaries. Your feelings matter. Emotional boundaries protect your right to feel your feelings without being blamed or manipulated. It's the ability to say, "I'm responsible for my emotions and you're responsible for yours." It helps you stop people from dumping their emotional baggage on you or controlling your reactions. You're allowed to feel without explaining or defending yourself. Time boundaries. Protect your schedule. Time is your most limited resource. Time boundaries help you manage how and with whom you spend it. That means saying, "I can't make it today," or "I need some time for myself." Whether it's work, friends, or family, not everything deserves your time. Respecting your schedule teaches others to do the same. Material boundaries. Your stuff, your rules. Material boundaries relate to your possessions, money, and personal belongings. You have every right to decide who borrows your things and how they're treated. You can say, "I'm not comfortable lending that," or "Please return it by the weekend." Kindness doesn't mean allowing misuse. You can be generous without being taken for granted. Intellectual boundaries, respecting thoughts and beliefs. Intellectual boundaries protect your opinions, beliefs, and ideas. Everyone won't agree with you, and that's okay. But if someone mocks or dismisses your views, it's okay to say, "Let's agree to disagree," or "That topic is off limits right now." Healthy conversations require mutual respect, not debate wars. Sexual boundaries, consent and comfort. Sexual boundaries are about consent, communication, and mutual respect in romantic or intimate situations. It's your right to say what you're okay with and what you're not. You can say, "I'm not ready for that," or "Let's talk about what we're both comfortable with." Sexual boundaries are about safety, honesty, and trust, never pressure. Boundaries don't push people away. They show them how to treat you. They create space for healthy connection, not control. So which boundary do you need to work on most? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you take your power back.